So to figure out how much resin I'm going to need, I just go and look up Moss Epoxy's calculator, and they have a calculator here. So I'm going to put 8 inches, whoops, 8 inches, not 81, 8 inches by 8 inches. And then it tells you how, like it gives you an idea how thick you want it, what to input. So I'm going to input 0.125. And so that says 8 cubic inches, which means 4.43 ounces. I always find that I end up with extra resin when I do this, so I'm just doing 4 ounces for doing the entire base. So when it comes time to doing just this wave and up, I'm going to do 3 ounces. When it comes time to do just this wave and up, I'm going to do 2 ounces. And when it comes time to doing this wave and up, I'm going to do just 1 ounce of resin, and then take a little bit from that each time to mix the white part, and then for the first one to mix the sand part.